Artificial intelligence is fuck you up. If you don't possess some valuable skills that artificial intelligence can't substitute, you are at risk. Even if AI will bring innovation and it will simplify some processes, many people are going to lose their job. But if you develop some of these digital marketing skills I'm going to reveal in this video, you will not have anything to worry about and you will prosper in the coming years. My name is Max Cecco and I teach aspiring entrepreneurs and professionals how to turn their knowledge and or someone else's expertise even into a 7-figure business. If you like my content, subscribe to this channel and hit the like button. First of all, regardless of digital marketing skills, you have to be aware that artificial intelligence can't manage emotions, at least for the moment. AI can automate and speed up processes based on logic and data collected. This is an important point to understand. In addition, I think that AI can help you optimize and speed up the execution of some of these digital marketing skills I'm going to talk about in this video. Now, let me share with you another crucial aspect. Today, February 2023, and in the coming years, professionals and business owners need online marketing experts if they want to prosper, and AI can't provide experts. The ones who refuse to invest in digital marketing will not get any profit, and they will close their businesses even if they have a fantastic product or service. It is not about what you are offering, but how you sell your stuff, the vehicle you use. And still today, 2023, the demand in terms of skills to sell products and services online is huge. At the same time, the world needs experts in digital marketing able to help incredible professionals and business owners sell their products and services. After this crucial and important premise, let me share with you 3 digital marketing skills thanks to which you can conquer the world, regardless of artificial intelligence. Skill number 1, communication skill. Learning how to communicate a message in front of an audience is crucial for your success. Indeed, when you develop your communication ability, you will be perceived as more charismatic, attractive, and persuasive. Others will start looking at you as a fascinating person. Your communication ability helps you create your following, selling more products or services, no matter the vehicle you choose to communicate your message. One-to-one, one-to-many, for example, public speaking, and the ability to speak in front of a camera to create compelling videos that can reach the entire world. AI can't compete with you. You are unique. There is no copy of yourself in the entire world. So, focus on creating your value by selling yourself first. Now, pay very close attention to what I'm going to say right now. Regardless of your field of competency and regardless of your preparation, if you develop your communication skill and decide to share your message to build your audience, you can surely beat your competition that refuses to share their knowledge and experience on social networks. In the business game, the person who communicates a better message, the person who is able to reach their potential clients, no matter the quality of the product or service they are selling, wins. Indeed, I firmly believe that your ability to communicate both with the written word and spoken word is the best asset you should develop to get a significant competitive advantage. Do not forget that selling means communicating a message properly to arouse people's interest and persuade them to take action. To start improving your communication skills right now, I highly recommend watching this video in the next 5 minutes. 7 top ways to improve your communication skills. They changed my life forever. I put the link in the description below. Skill number 2, copywriting. Copywriting, the art of selling with the written word, is the most crucial skill you should master if you want to succeed, especially in running an online business, no matter what you want to sell. Copywriting is the only skill that I have never delegated to someone else because I consider it very personal. I have always written by myself and for my clients too, every email, video sales script, sales letter, and sales presentation since 2008, and I'll continue to do it. For sure, artificial intelligence can help you write better copy. There is a tool called Copy.ai that helps you write copy for everything: blog posts, social media, e-commerce, sales pages, and so on. Honestly, I have never used this tool, but for sure I want to test it. Now, pay very close attention. Even if this tool is available, you can't avoid learning copy. Copywriting is not a copy and paste skill because it is very personal and it involves specific knowledge and generic knowledge. Specific knowledge is related to the product or service you want to sell. Generic knowledge gives the copywriter some ideas on how to write a sales letter with a specific angle because it is all based on his/her experience. I firmly believe that in writing copy, your personality makes a huge difference and it is a game changer. Indeed, if you and I have to write a sales letter to sell a product, the writing style, the length of the sales letter, the sentences, and the triggers we use can be completely different due to our knowledge, experience, and personality as well. So, copywriting doesn't involve only the knowledge and the technical stuff to write a message, but if you want to make a difference, you need to be curious about anything. This is why I'm 100% sure that artificial intelligence can't substitute any great copywriter. But with the help of artificial intelligence, a good copywriter can become great at writing copy. To start learning copy for free, in my YouTube channel, I have an entire playlist dedicated to copywriting. I put the link in the description below this video. Now, let's switch to the third skill artificial intelligence can't replace. Skill number 3. Funnel marketing. So, let me define what a sales funnel is by sharing with you two different perspectives. In today's economy, we are literally bombed with sales messages, anytime, anywhere. So, when you only perceive that someone is selling something, you put yourself in a protected mode. You raise a barrier. Instead, when someone is sharing a message to help you fix a problem, as I'm doing right now, without asking to buy anything, you are more than willing to listen to this message, and maybe you will share this message as well. You have just entered a sort of sales funnel. I'm creating a profitable relationship with you by giving the best information for free in order to have your attention and trust. Then I can sell something valuable. So, the sales funnel is a marketing strategy that creates awareness and trust between you and your potential client without selling anything at the beginning. A sales funnel consists of two pillars. Number 1, a step-by-step series of communications that help your potential client choose you instead of the competition, trust in you and your products and/or services. This is why copywriting and your ability to communicate with spoken words play a huge role in business. Obviously, you can use different vehicles to indoctrinate your target audience. For instance, videos, evergreen pre-recorded webinars, and live webinars or events. It all depends on what you want to sell and the price of your product or service. Number 2, the second pillar is the infrastructure you put in place to share your message with your audience, even in a 100% automated way. For instance, Squeeze Page, it lets you collect leads, aka potential customers. Content Page, it enables you to deliver your valuable content. Sales Page, to sell your product or service. Order Page, to let your client pay for your product or service. Email Marketing, to establish a connection with your potential clients and customers. Marketing Automation, to automate all the processes from collecting leads to delivering the content after the payment. This technical stuff is essential to spread your message to the online world. And with that being said, I'm going to teach you all these skills and other ones in my special program called Freedom Business Blueprint. Sprint, which I'm going to release in March 2023. Subscribe to the wait list by clicking the link below this video. And I highly recommend watching this next video. 7 top ways to improve your communication skills. They changed my life forever. Communication skill is priceless, so start mastering it right now. Watch this video.